Hi guys, to prove that I did this assignment for school, I'm gonna make a paper airplane. That was random. Okay, first you start with a piece of flat kind of paper. That's the only kind of paper you have, then you're normal. Something just happened. Okay. That. Oh, that's fun. You like, yeah. You put it in half. You got that. I did it wrong. Oh, I did it wrong. No, I haven't. Congratulations to me. Okay. So far, if you got this right, it should look a bit like that. Okay, which one do you keep going? Okay. And then that. So, not very good paper. And should be looking like, God, how do you keep falling? Should be looking like that. A bit flat. Okay, we've done that. You need to fold the wings down so that only touch the bottom. And then like that. And this is like that. You fold, pump it in. Out again. Make it go. Okay. And the finishing product should look like this piece of junk. Okay. Try and fly this thing. Jump for you stupid iPod. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, that did not fly good. Well, there you have it. My paper aeroplane from Mars. Now, if you want to make one of these yourself, maybe you can not have a falling iPod all the time. Right, see ya. See ya.